Aloha. This is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And today I want to share a simple joinery technique that we use in the shop all the time. It's for a coffee table leg. When I was younger, I had the privilege of apprenticing with a Japanese woodworker. And in addition to the techniques that I learned, I also learned part of the culture and philosophy. And one of them is that as a craftsperson, we have a duty, a responsibility to our society, to our culture, to make beautiful things and to make lots of them. And so this joiner technique is very durable, it's sturdy, efficient, and relatively simple to do. Here on Oahu, we also have a lot of military clients. And one of the consequences of being in the military, as I know well, is you move a lot. And so we also like to make furniture that's easy to take apart and reassemble for ease of movement. I'm starting with a tapered leg out of monkey pod. And this joinery technique is very adaptable. You can use it for millions of things. So my father is a luthier. He makes musical instruments in Northern California. After learning from my father, I spent most of my life building houses in Austin, Texas. And so the techniques that I've used are a lot of things that I've learned building houses. And a lot of the tools we use here in the shop are very basic woodworking tools, sanders, skill saws, and table saws. Now that we have our two pieces and our notch cut out, we'll apply our wood glue. And that piece sits there like that. And then I use a trim screw to attach it. The glue is doing most of the work. And because of our notch, we have a lot of surface area, so the glue creates a strong joint. So with this leg, we'll typically use 4, or if it's for a circular table, you only need 3, and then we attach them to the underside. I believe a tapered leg is always a more elegant solution, and when the leg angles away, pointing to the 4 corners, it gives it greater stability and prevents it from racking. If you'd like to learn more about the beautiful woods of Hawaii or some woodworking techniques, please subscribe to our channel or feel free to visit the shop.